Hey guys, it's YoungMindHS here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get a solo public lobby in GTA 5. So, as you can see from the one I'm in now, there are definitely more than just me in this lobby, so we're going to change that. So, first thing you want to do is press the Windows key and D. This will take you to here. Then you want to type down here, Task Manager. Then you want to go to the Performance tab and click Open Resource Monitor. Then you want to find GTA5.exe, right click on it and hit Suspend Process. This isn't dangerous at all, so don't worry about it. Then you basically just want to wait for a few seconds. And then you want to right click and click Resume Process. Then if you go back in GTA 5, you'll see everyone's left. And if you click Z, you'll see you're in your own lobby. This is great for anyone that just wants to do those car import-export missions, or if they just want to be alone for a little bit. So, anyway guys, if this video helped you out, leave a like. If you're new, I do a lot of tips and tricks, as well as optimization guides and FPS guides, so if that's your kind of thing, definitely think about subscribing. But anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one.